Female reproductive system. In female reproductive system, a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviduct, that is fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, and vagina are present. Ovaries. A pair of ovaries located in the abdominal cavity near the kidneys. Ovaries produces egg cells, that is ovum. The ovary matures one egg cell at a time in every alternate month. And also it secretes female sex hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Oviduct. A pair of oviduct or fallopian tubes arises from uterus. It is the site of fertilization. Uterus. Uterus is also called womb, where the implantation and development of baby takes place. Cervix. The uterus opens into vagina through the cervix. Fertilization. The fusion of egg cells and sperm cells is called fertilization. After fertilization, the zygote forms. Further, zygote develops into embryo. After maturing the ovum, it releases from ovary. The release of the egg from the ovary is called ovulation. After ovulation, the egg enters into widened funnel-shaped fallopian tube. The egg passes through fallopian tube to meet sperm cells. Development of the embryo. After releasing the egg into fallopian tube, it started journey to meet sperm cells. After fertilization, the fertilized cells move towards the uterus and finally it settled down in the uterus. The process of reaching the embryo into the uterus is called implantation. Membranes around the embryo. Chorion. During development of embryo, tiny finger-like projections grow from the outer side of the uterus is called chorion. Tissue of chorion and the adjacent part of the embryo tissue makes a another layer called placenta. Placenta is formed after 12 weeks of pregnancy and become an important structure for the nourishment of the embryo. There is no direct flow of blood to mother to embryo. The placenta membrane allows the material by diffusion, mainly carbon dioxide, oxygen, nutrients, and waste materials. The another layer is amnion. Amnion grows around the embryo by itself. The cavity around the amnion filled with a fluid called amniotic fluid. The embryo develops in this fluid and protected umbilical cord. It contains a major blood vessel that connect to placenta to embryo. From the third month of pregnancy, the embryo is called fetus. The fetus developed fully average in 9 months of period. This period is called gestation period.